Hello and welcome to Crunch Free. While you wait for your login details, I thought it might be a good idea just to give you a quick tour of your account so you know exactly what you're looking at when you do log in. So let's jump straight into it. The first page you're greeted by is your home page. So in the top left, you've got a cycling message that will provide you hints and tips, guides and things of that nature as well, so keep your eyes there. Just next to it, you've got another cycling message that will provide you details about any additional services that we've got that you could use, and also some integrations with mobiles as well. Underneath that, you've got quick links to things like business guides, knowledge articles, and also our roadmap. So if you do want to keep up to date with any upcoming features, new releases, check that out as well. In the top right hand corner, you've got your basic settings. So click on this icon here, go to settings, and then you want to make sure that your business name and business address have been updated with the correct info. These two are really important because this will be presented on your sales invoices, and you can also upload a business logo as well if you want to. On the left hand side, you've got your basic menu items, so home, sales, expenses and banking. Sales is going to be where you start to create your invoices and also send them through your Crunch account as well. No longer do you need to download them, attach them manually to your own personal email address and send them that way. Do everything from within your account. Next up, you've got your expenses, which is just going to be where you start listing your purchases. So public transport costs, food costs, maybe your subscription costs as well if you've got any. And also on the topic of subscriptions, if you do have regular expenses like direct debits, for example, you can also use recurring expenses. So these are automated. The system will create those for you at the exact date that you specify and for the amount that you choose as well. So that's really, really handy and can really help speed things up. And lastly, you've got your banking section. This is just where you're going to enter your banking information. Now make sure that you do enter the correct info. Again, this info will go onto your sales invoices, so you want to make sure that your end clients know exactly which account to pay into. We also have integrations for open banking, so if it is available for your bank, I would strongly recommend setting that up. If you need any help with things like open banking, creating invoices, expenses, we've also given you complete access to an in-app help center, which you can get to by using this button up here in the top right. Click this and you'll get a little sidebar that pops out, and then you've got complete access to our entire range of articles from within your app. So you can also search for items as well. So if you've got anything in mind that you want to find out more about, type it in and it'll bring you up anything related to that keyword that you've entered. You've also got access to guides, articles, again, videos, things like that. And lastly, I'll just show you the additional services page. So in the bottom left, you've got add-ons, and this is our marketplace. So if you are ever interested in additional services, maybe you want to speak to an accountant, maybe you do want to set up some of the mobile apps I touched on at the very beginning, do it all from here as well. And that's it. So hopefully you found that quite helpful. I hope you enjoy your experience of Crunch Free, and thank you very, very much for letting us show you what we can do.